Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Tuesday, May 11th, 1999, 8 am. Get rid of your anxiety by plunging deeply into the sadhana. You will once again have the confirmation of what we say in the messages. This is not to be considered as a therapy, but uniting oneself with the divine releases the body from its tensions. The medium asks, "Will you help me, Babuji? You know that we always do what is possible. Do not worry yourself. We will be with you. We tell you, be surrendered. We will not insist today. Tomorrow we will resume our contacts. Be strong, Babuji." Wednesday, May 12th, 1999, 8 am. Yes, it is good to send good thoughts to my son. He is happy, though very tired. We maintain him so that he can continue to assume his heavy task. You can see from the pictures and the plans the size of this achievement. He has supervised everything. The construction of this new complex was a source of much concern for him. It is unimaginable. The Indian workforce is not like what exists here, but everything is done so heartily that with the efforts after efforts, the result obtained is perfect. As I have already said, this celebration with the construction of this sanctuary marks the beginning of an era of expansion of the mission. This ceremony has struck the mind of brothers and sisters present and those who were connected to you through the heart. This seed received by each one of them will spread out. Be happy, you also who love your masters. You belong to a large and solid body, which is at the beginning of a long and fruitful march. Rest, my daughter, be blessed. The medium says, "Oh, thank you, Babuji, for this beautiful image that you give us. I do not feel handicapped anymore. I am like the others, and I want to walk with them in this large body. It's wonderful." Note this down, Babuji. Wednesday, May 12th, 1999, 10 am. I approve your desire. One can achieve much with one's mind and through visualization. You know it. Never stop proceeding in this way. Do it with joy and unfailing enthusiasm. Seen from that point of view, your role is even more active. When this work is presented in the necessary form, it will become constructive. It's all possible in this area. It is necessary to go beyond one's practice, even if it is rigorous. By having in mind strongly this idea of the expansion of the mission, by seeing it being established across the entire world for the good of humanity, you act. A current of thought cannot be stopped when it is right. Such an effective and so simple way is accessible to all. Let us jointly express wishes so that a growing number of human beings can benefit from them and reach higher planes. Thus will we progress towards the golden age. Babuji.